How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 67 Chevy II Nova SS true 118 VIN. Super clean car, original panels, done in a gorgeous plum mist metallic. Very nice car. So all the grille and headlight bezels, everything looks like new. Bumpers have all been re-chromed. I'll tell you, the paint on this car is show quality, super slick, flat down the sides. Just a gorgeous car. These little Novas getting hard to come by, especially when they're this nice. Very nice car. Paint work is really slick. All the deck lid panel looks real nice. Rear bumper's been re-chromed. Just a super car. See how flat and straight it is down the sides. You know, they built this car to be a show car. They did a lot of extra chrome on it, like the hood hinges and everything. It's got a ZZ4 GM crate motor in it with aluminum heads and everything, a GM bow tie intake. It's got disc brakes. See, all aluminum radiator. Very nicely detailed. It's got an M22 Muncie 4-speed. It's got a Curry Ford 9-inch rear with 355 posi. Just very nice car. Interior looks like brand new. Got the original dash. The headliner's real nice and tight. It's got the front and rear seat belts. It's got a I did it tilt steering column, billet steering wheel. See the jams and everything on this car, very nice. Trunk's been all nicely upholstered. Got the spare in it. It's just a super nice car. You have to kind of bear with us. The little cottonwood fuzzies are flying around today. It's got the retro fit AM/FM cassette stereo with iPod capability, original 4-speed center console. Just a super nice car. We'll fire it up. Got a real good sound. It's a very nice car. work, everything on this car. Super flat, super nice. Get in this car and go to any show you want. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road, Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.